Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Dan. So I will cover the 13th part of HTML. It is my 14th part, and in this part I will telling you ID and classes in HTML, and I hope you can understand this thing and learn this thing from this video. Okay, so learn things. So please like this video, share your friends, comment below what you can learn in this video. And please, some people watch my video but not subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. Okay. So I will not take a long time. So let's start the video. I will telling you ID and classes in HTML. So now let's start the video. So first of all, I will have Sublime Text Editor. You have any text editor, you will open like okay. Then you can open it. I have Sublime Text Editor, so I will open it. Then first of all, you can create a file on Sublime Text Editor. You can go to the file and new file. Shortcut key is Control N. Then file. Save as. On desktop I will save my file and this name is index.html. Then save. So my index.html file is easily as made it. So I will minimize it. Then I will open that. Then here I will open it. Then first of all, here you can write a starting code of HTML. You can write, then tab the all thing is come. So I will learning you ID and classes. So my topic is ID and classes. Then save, then refresh. So ID and classes is coming like that. Here you can see the ID and classes coming. Then save, then refresh. So ID and classes coming on heading. So first of all, here you can write like div class. So I will tell you in my next class of div. Okay. Then here I will write a div class. Div class should be my. Here I will write. I will give a ID. Then enter. And here I will write h1. And here you can write ID and classes. Save, refresh. So here you can see the ID and classes is easily as come. So here I will write the ID. You can write anything. You can write anything. You can write it, but you can link style.css. In next video, I will tell you how to link the adding HTML and CSS. I will tell you in next class of links. So first of all, here you can give any class of your like container, content, ID. You can give any, but in style.css, you can defining a thing of that thing of h1. You can define you can write that things. You can define on that. Okay. So like here I will write like style. First of all, I will tell you in HTML. So I will not using a CSS. So here I will write like dot ID, and here I will write style. Style should be italic. Sorry, here I will write like text. Sorry, here I will write style should be italic. Then save, then refresh. So it is not come. Why? Because here you can then erase that. Then here you can write font style. Then here you can write italic. Then save, then refresh. So here you can see it. Here is easily as come as. Here you can see in italic. So here I will italic comma bold. Then save, then refresh. So it is not coming because you can write on one thing. Okay. Then here I will write font style should be italic. Then you can erase it. Then here I will write bold. Then save. Then refresh. So I will first of all save. Then refresh. So here you can hit your thing is bolder. Okay. And you can add bolder or bold. It is same thing. Okay. Then here I will write underline. Then save. Then refresh. So font style should be underline. Text, and here you can write like text style. Then save. Then refresh. So here you can give anything from here. Here I will write like color should be blue. Then you can save. Then refresh. So here color should be blue is coming. You cannot write this dot or that this hashtag. So nothing will be, you can do anything, but it is not will be styled. Here I will write like like font. Here I will write like font family should be Poppins, and commas and serif. Here I will write like padding. Sorry, here I will write text align should be centered. Then you can save, then refresh. So nothing will do because here I will write hashtag, then save, then refresh. You can write a hashtag or the dot, then save, then refresh. So here you can see it. You can use that ID and classes. So I will tell you in my video, it is my means that I will tell you the ID and classes, now the style. Okay, so now you can give your class and you can give your ID anything. Okay, you can give anything of in your ID. You can give the container and anything else. Okay, but you can give that thing that you can write here. Then save, then refresh are not coming because I will write in my style to share. Here I will write the ID, then save, then refresh. It is easily as come. So in this class I will tell you ID and classes in HTML, and I hope you can enjoy this class and learn things and understand the things in that video. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like videos, share, friends, subscribe to my channel. Some people watch my video but not subscribing. So I may meet you in my next class of adding HTML links, adding CSS links, in how to link it from HTML link to CSS. So I will tell you in the next class. So for today, goodbye.